Alright, y'all, so let me talk to y'all why I do this last process. Because y'all know I don't do voiceovers, so I'm pretty sure I montage everything from here. So y'all see me bleach wash my bundles, and I wish I would have loosened up the rubber bands because I do have black marks at the top, but it's not going to be shown. And I wish I would have had more developers so that I could bleach wash it a second time. But the color actually took very good in my opinion. And this is conditioner, TBH conditioner. It took very good in my opinion. It could have been brighter, but at the same time I'm very happy from what I see. Let me just fill this up real quick. And actually, let me start off back at the top. Hold on. So I did get these bundles from the hair store, and if y'all know me, y'all know I love hair store products. Especially because I know they all come from the same vendor. So you saw me wash my hair first. I always wash the hair, whether it be I have to color it, bleach it, or start a wig. No matter what, I'm gonna wash the hair first before I do anything. Even when I go to other people to install my hair, I'm gonna wash my hair first, and then I bleach the hair. Again, I wish I would have did a second bleaching, but I only bought one developer, and I bought 40, so I thought it was going to do the job, but it didn't. It's okay. And this is a conditioner bath, so I'm gonna just let this sit in there. I would recommend washing it for so say if you were only doing bleaching, wash it the way you will only do bleaching. You get what I'm saying? So I did wash it twice. And then the way I was massaging the knots to make sure I got all the bleach product before I moved over to coloring, I did boil all of my water, because I had ran a bath water before starting this process, and my water was not as hot as I wanted it to be. But you don't have to do that. What else did I do? Oh, I did shampoo my hair like 6 times in this process. And I do water baths like this instead of, that hurts your hands when you just really wash them instead of just, you know, doing baths. This is a conditioner bath. I did wash it once with the neutralizing shampoo. And I think that came out good. I did only use one type of dye, which I wanted to go get more of an orange, which was the sunset, but where I went yesterday, they did not have the sunset, and it's fine. This looks so good, y'all. Like, when this dry, I know it's gonna pop. So I'm gonna just let this sit in the conditioner. I just wanted to think. Okay, so after you do the bleach wash with the color, switch over to cold water. Hot water takes out the color, so everything from now on, even when I wash the wig, because I am doing a wig, even from now on, everything is going to be cold water, because you don't want to take away from the color. This is how much I got now, and I will say it wasn't this much until I was being lazy unraveling the hair and I let it tangle. Normally I don't do that, but Liana got somewhere to go. Competition is tomorrow and I need to get her ready. So look at the coloring. But as you can see, the black hair from like the first wash before bleaching, you can't really see it. So all of this is honestly from me not detangling the hair the right way, honestly, which happens. This is really good hair. I have wigs already made with this hair. I love this hair. Everybody keep hating on hair store bundles. I have wigs that's like 5-6 years old with hair store bundles. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit in the conditioner for about 10-15 minutes because it is cold. Conditioner bath. And that's it, you guys. Stay tuned for part 2 when we put the wig together and style it. And yeah, do you guys like when I do part 1 and part 2 videos? I think it's dope. But yeah. Oh, I use this bowl instead of a plastic bowl because it heats so good. I don't know if y'all saw, like, the top kept bubbling up and then popping off. Perfect. I don't keep aluminum foil in my house, so this bowl is very perfect for it. And it's stainless steel, so it will clean good, so that I can, if I have to use it again with food product, I know that it's sanitary. But that's it for this video. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2. Love you. Bye. Yeah. I will bless in the middle of the storm. Hey, so this is what we got. And as you can tell, I ran out of tracks. I made it really small. I normally put really big parts in it, but you know what? I wanted to be full. So I did go buy a new bundle, y'all. This is a whole week later. Maybe more. Today's Thursday. But yeah, this is as far as I get. And I'm going to show y'all what I got to do. One more bundle. But yeah, it looks red, whatever. Alright, so it's my day off. I'm watching Glee. This is the hair I got. It's made by the same company, I think. Let me double check. Oh yeah, it says Bare Natural Body Wave. I got a 16-inch because what I got... Whew, look at my bed. I've had a day, y'all. I've had a mother clucking day. Okay, so yeah, this is Bare Natural. That says Bare Natural. 100% human hair, body weight, 16. Okay, so this should blend. Yeah, I just had a day. I was gonna get some orange to add some orange to the color, but I just got Cajun spice again. 40 developer. This is probably all I need. I got a little bit of this left, the lightening powder, neutralizing shampoo, TPH conditioner, and shampoo. Yeah, I'm about to do the same steps. So I'm about to wash the hair while I got the water boiling. Then I'm gonna bleach the hair. Yeah, since we went through the steps already, I'm not gonna show y'all anything different. The only thing I'm gonna show y'all is what I should have done, which was clip the hair and take the rubber band out. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looked like. Alright, y'all, so this is how I normally do it. Put the hair in the clip.
Yes, it's just for an internship. But I haven't been this nervous since I auditioned for Miata. I don't know how that turned out. I'm meeting with the new senior editor and designer extraordinaire, Isabel Wright.
Oh, I didn't see what you wore to school today. Let me see. Hold on, Steve. Hold on. You trying to put that in shown this morning. Who you went to school to see? Oh, you not going to show us your outfit? Period. 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 Okay. Okay. So as I was saying, y'all, this is how I normally do the hair. I put it in the clip to keep it loose. That way it bleach all the way through. And I don't get the... I told you I had to go buy more hair. Didn't I say that?
You're still finishing it?
I told you I had to go buy more hair, right?
Yeah, you're still finishing.
I just did it. I just left the house.
I'm talking about, because you said you're not getting a costume no more.
I still got to finish the hair. I've been arguing with Amazon about my money all day. I need that 200. Period. Anywho, so doing this allows it to bleach and not get the marks. But as y'all can see, as y'all will see, the marks are not going to show. But this is just how I normally do it. But I've had a long day and I can't even show y'all I look that crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and get this hair ready so that we can finish this wig, and I probably do makeup on live today. So yeah, peace.